Now drop a like on the video. Share, comment and subscribe. Freedom for Ninja Man if you agree. So the only reason why Ninja Man is stuck behind the bars is because he refused to put the blame on the other two individuals. His son and the man who actually had the argument with the now deceased. And the eyewitness. It's like them did want Ninja Man to say, it's them do it and give testimony against them. Maybe couldn't even Ninja Man have to say about that and they will continue reasoning.
A report went on about repeat jump out left O.
A report come back and I inform of that. And we have one bomb.
Now who that?
Supposed to be like a jump right away.
Yeah. Your mother. Yeah, boy, turn grandfather, you know. Yo, your pants are tight and I appreciate the killer.
Oh, you just to suck some blood.
Now as we're here, that's a Ninja Man's view and giving information on another individual. Now some people might agree with it, some people might disagree with it. But similar was the situation with even Sean Storm. Sean Storm was behind the bars. And the reason why them call him the loyal or the most loyal dancehall artist is because Sean Storm was behind the bars because he refused to give any type of statement against Vybz Kartel. He decided to say, oh, him don't know what happened. And them now gonna make him send certain things just to get out. I guess that's the same scenario with Ninja Man. He must say him don't know what happened. But him now gonna just say, them do it. Keep in mind, what the official statement says that one of the other co-accused was called because of an argument with the now deceased and somebody else. When the Ninja Man's co-accused go around there, argument go on, as you know, in a city community, whole heap of argument, people are come out, get physical, you know it go. That happened, I think, 3 times. Multiple times. And them say upon the very final scenario, they must say Ninja Man enter the yard with a weapon. Him and his son. Him and his son. So they must say one individual at the argument, the son must pass, and the man in near the argument stop and in an argument with the now deceased and the other eyewitness. And them go away and come back. And that's what them say. The incident take place. Now the eyewitness say him never see who fired the weapon. Somebody else in the yard say them did Ninja Man with the weapon. The thing is though, you know in a city state, them big argument here. And Ninja Man forward, allegedly. You know everybody are forward out. You know everybody and them friend I go forward outside. How much people say them see Ninja Man with a weapon? How much people even say them see Ninja Man? Some people from the community tell me what I want. How much people actually saw Ninja Man? And how much people say them actually see Ninja Man with a weapon? Now, the now deceased and the eyewitness was behind a fence. Them say them a run to evade the attackers. Find themselves behind the yard or beside the yard. But behind the fence. Because everybody come from the same community. The eyewitness say based upon the voice them when him here. He must say are the same are all the accused. For them voice him here. And he must say the now deceased was closest to the gate with a machete, trying to ward off the alleged or the accused. And that's when he hear an explosion. And they ever see it. He say hear the explosion. And an individual was deceased. Now tell me if you believe a Ninja Man to stay behind the bars for that. Now, of course, some individuals would say, if I'm guilty, then yes. But the thing is, most people believe Ninja Man is innocent. You know what Ninja Man say? Ninja Man say him never did it. They all the way a man devil. Now, if people did see him, maybe what I must say is that he may be a man devil during the time of the incident. That means he never in the community. After the incident. But not before. Man devil they're quite far away. Tell me you believe about the whole scenario though. Do you believe that the only reason why Ninja Man is still behind the bars is just because he never said them do it? Him being the richest out of the three. The one who could afford to get the high power attorney. Or high power attorneys. No doubt them could arrange some type of plea deal with Ninja. Where see how much years them already do. He would probably do less than that and already dip on the road. But what would that say about the other co-accused? And maybe they were also offered a plea deal like that. Where them could have go out if them say him do it. And maybe them also never take that deal. Maybe them offer the same deal to him son. And him son decides him not take it. And in return, Ninja Man decides he'll be accepting no plea deal either. Things though, Ninja Man is still stuck behind the bars. And the fans them are saying they love to see him released. Yeah, the fans are saying I love to see Ninja Man released. And they're on the road. But tell me what you think. Do you believe that Ninja Man should be freed from incarceration? Whether by parole, appeal with victory, or do you believe that he has just served his time? And being a big man, them can make him forward the road now. Set an example for the younger generation of artists. Tell them what not to do. So that they not follow in a film footstep, them and do the same thing what him do. Whether for the same reasons or for notoriety in a dancehall music. Because it's not gonna work out. And you can show them that, show them why. Talk to them. But as I said, comment section open. If you're new to the channel, suppose to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. You want to know the reason again? Live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.